Friday night to the one day. Boys in a guess in the archie. I say when you almost are one day, I just want to Abu Booby Nade. To move, so mante. In a move, everyone, my love.
Well, hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of YayraRose. Yep. Welcome wherever you are, guys. Welcome to my channel, okay? Akwaba, miawezo, salam alaikum, ajeko. I don't know if I said that right, but forgive me. Welcome everybody. You're sitting there maybe looking at me like, damn. Yep. Or maybe what? Or maybe looking at me like, oh wow. Yeah. I know. I did go a little extra today, as you can tell. Just because, guys, my culture is rich, period. My culture is rich, okay? I love it. Oh my gosh, like this is like a transformation. This is the transformation, okay? I love it. Anywho, let's get down to today's topic. How's everyone doing? Like, I hope you're all feeling blessed. Yayra means blessing, so I'm gonna share that out with you. I hope you guys are feeling blessed and safe, and you know, this quarantine and this isolation period, it's kind of driving everybody kind of crazy. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing okay. In today's video, as you can see, I've got a little extra. Video is probably going to be about Africa. It's going to be about Ghana. It's going to be about something fun. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be doing fun facts about Ghana. Okay, I know I did a video last year, fun facts about Ghana, and it's basically facts about Ghana, and there are some pretty weird stuff, some pretty funny stuff, some pretty factual facts, and some pretty, I don't know, yeah. I did it sometime last year, but before I went to Ghana, and the research that I did, plus my own personal kind of like experience when it comes to Ghana culture and all that, I decided to put it together and then do like a video kind of like fun facts, what to know, things to know about Ghana, pretty much before you travel. I did that, and there was way too many information, so I decided to kind of split it. So if you haven't seen that first video, I probably would advise you to go and watch that first before you come and see this one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link down in the description box below or at the end of this video. So if you haven't seen that one, please go and watch it before you come and watch this one. Number two, if you haven't subscribed, please, it only takes a second to just click on the channel, and that should, you know, notify you of any new videos. If you want to see this crazy face, if you want to see my whatever, yeah, subscribe and also share and like, and please give me feedback. Do not be scared of giving me feedback, positive, constructive criticism, you know, something that will make me kind of grow. And I mean, I'm still learning, so whatever ideas you have, you'd want to see me kind of improve on, anything you want to see on my channel, please just don't feel hesitant. And for all my new subscribers, I do appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for coming on board with me on this journey. Yeah, too much talking. So today's video, as I said, is the second part of the Ghana fun facts. I have a lot of stuff. I'm sorry, I have a lot of stuff, purely because of research that I've done. This is just for anybody who just wants to watch and laugh, or anybody who is planning to go to Ghana and kind of wants ideas and kind of like wants to know what Ghana is about. So this is a video for you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you subscribe. I hope you share. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I've written things down, so I'm just gonna go through it step by step. Okay guys, let's just get straight to the video. Welcome to the land of sunshine, rich culture, and beautiful people. That is Ghana for you. So welcome to this beautiful journey. So Ghana is considered as a good and welcoming kind of country for especially first-time travelers. Akwaba, at the beginning I kind of greeted you guys in different languages. Akwaba is an expression you will hear a lot. Akwaba is an expression that you're going to be hearing several times a day in Ghana, because that's just how people generally greet people. Akwaba. Akwaba means welcome, 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 welcome. And at first it's going to, annoy you, but they're just being polite. That's just how, how polite people are. So welcome, welcome. You just, respond back. Oil was discovered at the coast of Ghana in 2007, I believe. Ghana, I have to read some of these. Ghana was first spotted by the Portuguese traders in 1470. People from Portugal, Germany, Denmark, Netherlands, and Britain came to the Gold Coast to search for gold. The British took control of the country in the 20th century and declared the Gold Coast a colony of the British Empire. So Cape Coast Castle was built by the Dutch, okay, and there are 32 castles kind of dotted along the coast. It's a lot of castles in Ghana, by the way. So Ghana and Guyana are two different countries, and Ghana is actually located in the West Africa, while Guyana is found on South America's North Atlantic coast, and I actually didn't know about that. It was a long time ago. This was a long time ago. I'm going to share with you how I know about that. A long time ago, I was in Canada, and a friend of mine, Neville, a friend of mine, he was from Guyana. So we were talking about it, and I said I was from Ghana, and he said he's from Guyana. I said, you mean Ghana? He said, no, Guyana. I said, are you serious? So he had to show me and say, yeah, Guyana is in like South America, kind of, it's nowhere near Ghana or Africa. It's two different countries. So that's how I got to know that there are two different countries. But okay, so in terms of getting to Ghana, there are a lot of international flights. So most international flights excuse me, to Ghana arrive in and depart from Accra Kotoka International Airport. Cost of the flight usually depends on the time of the year that you travel, but the airport currently serves about 25 airlines that come and go from that airport. The busiest times I'd say is the summertime and Easter and obviously Christmas, December, and like the New Year. they get pretty busy, but in between that you can get pretty decent flights to Ghana. So Kumasi is the capital of the Ashanti region, okay, which is in the southern Ghana. So it is the home of the Akan culture, Ashanti people, and the kingdom. So Ashantis are a very powerful tribe in Ghana history. So a few days in this part of the country will be highly recommended because there are some beautiful things there that you could explore. Manchia Palace, sorry. Manchia Palace Museum is where the current Ashanti king is, and he makes appearance every 42 days to greet the public. So I think that's another great thing to add to your list when you're thinking of going to Ghana, basically. Lake Volta is the largest man-made lake in the world. Yeah, I said in the world. It's the largest man-made lake in the world, and it covers about 3,200 square miles of the country, making it an important asset in terms of transportation and also providing electricity. The lake has a dam called the Akosombo, which uses the water to create electricity to supply the majority population of Ghana. So this Lake Busumtree is the only natural lake in Ghana, located in the Ashanti region. So the lake does not have any kind of like outlets or inlets, and it's only fed by the rain, you know. So that's pretty dope. Waterfall is the highest in Ghana. The climate of Ghana is tropical, you know, but temperatures vary with seasons. Average temperature is about 30 degrees. It can be more than that. I mean, when I was in Ghana, the temperature was like, it could go up to 40 degrees, you know, so it depends really. The coolest time of the year is between June and September, where the main rainfall starts. The average temperature around this time is between kind of like 21 to 29 degrees. So yet again, it depends. The Harmattan is a dry desert wind from the Sahara Desert from November to about January. And in times we get cold, dry eyes and lips. So you would need kind of like lip balms or eye sprays, or, you know, you need to drink a lot of water as well. Your main enemy, I have to say this, is the dust. More in certain places though, but there's a lot of dust. You could have a shower right now and you can feel dusty. I mean, obviously it depends where you walk in, but dust can be one of the most annoying things in Ghana. With the weather being so hot and humid, like a 20 minutes walk after a shower is pretty useless because you're going to be sweating again. Do you know what I mean? Like, sweating becomes reoccurring activity because of the heat. You're constantly sweating. Like, try and stay hydrated, or try and stay indoors till the sun goes down, because if you try to take a walk while the heat is scorching, you're just gonna lose it. So try and keep cool, basically.